Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to repair one electric cooker. It is brand wise Tecnogas, Techno Superior, which is company actually Tecnogas from Italy. It's having problem with this cooker 60 by 60 ceramic hob electric cooker. It is the griller closer door, convection griller, and it's having problem actually. This 4 burners, it's one burner is not working. I think this one not working. We will check which one not working. I think this one not working. Here this one not working. Because of that we collected from the customer house to repair to our workshop, and we will check what is the problem exactly. After that we have to repair, and we have to give back to the customer today, and we will check what was the problem exactly. We have to remove the machine and we will check it. Now I already given power connection to the cooker. Now I am going to check one by one. I have to. Now it is confirm it's working properly, and we will check other one. I will close this one. I close already. And I'm going to check other one. I'm keeping a water cup here, and I'm opening other one, small burner. And I'm opening this one. Here you can see it's that one also working. No any problem. Also I'm checking other one. Here this one I'm checking. Here first burner, big one. Yes, it's not working. Yeah, this is the problem, this burner not working. And I'm going to check other one here. Yeah, that one also working, but it's confirmed. This one not working, this big burner not working. I already kept here. Increase the temperature, but it's not working. Now you can see through this indicator also. These 3 burners are working. The other one is not working. That's mean problem with this burner. We have to remove and check what is the problem exactly. We will check. We will go to the next step. We will check. We will open the unit and we will check. Now we have to disconnect the power first. Don't forget, if you working while you working with the electric, you have to careful. Now we are going to remove the ceramic hob. This ceramic glass we have to remove very carefully. We have to remove the back, all the screws. After that we can lift up. After removing back screws, we have to take out the ceramic glass. Now I'm going to show you how to take out the ceramic glass. We have to remove open the door, and here downside having 2 screws, here and here one. We have to remove these 2 screws. And after that take it out, the pull down, and this way we can take it out. Now okay, now you have to check here inside lock. Here one lock. Also this side have one lock. By the hand you have to take it out, this lock out. This lock you have to take it out like this. Now it's okay. Now we can take it out very easily. Now we can take it out. This is the way take it out ceramic glass. We have to check properly. Now we have to remove the burners one by it's coming with this one. We have to remove these screws, this screw and this screw. After that we can keep it down all the burners, and we will go for the remove in process. Now we have to remove the screws. Here 2 screws. Now we have to remove this side also screw. Only 4 screws will come. Already remove all 4 screws from the bar. Now we can take it out glass. You see, now you can check burners. This element look like okay. All 4 burners. Here this one something here, but that one already worked before. Yes, this is the problem. You can see this is shorted. This one short already because of the loose connection. This is the problem. Yeah, it's already shorted. Just we have to make it. After that we can refix. This is the problem. No any major damage. This is very expensive parts. This is here the one element. It will come like almost 400 dirhams. If you go for the, it's converting to dollars, it will come like $140 $150. But anyway, this is not the major repair. We can this one refix properly. After that we can hand over to the customer, and we will repair it now, and we will check it is whether working or not after repairing. Anymore, see this one we have to cut, and we will clean here. And we will join this one. This is a new one. We can fix here, and we will fix this one. We will keep soldering because of the safety. While getting heat, it will chance lose connection. Now I already given connection, which is broken one here, and now before fixing we will check one time, and here careful not touching any wire connections. Now we can give the power connection, and we will check before fixing the ceramic glass, and I'm fixing, I'm checking first which is damaged one. Here this is the knob, first one. Yes, it is okay, it's working, no any problem. And also I will off that one, again another one small. Yes, perfect. Also other one. Actually before also it's working all three burners, only one is not work. Yeah, that one also working properly. And finally other one. Yes, perfect. Now we can fix. Yes, before fixing we have to keep something like this plate to supporting to the burners holder, and we will keep top of this one. After that very easy to fix glass for us, and I will show you how to fix that one. Now we will keep like that. Now easy to fix. Now we can fix one by one. Here we have to fix this one to here. It's coming like that. Also one. Also. Okay, now it's for burners. We have to fix the ceramic glass. Now first we have to fix this one here, indicators for burners indicator, and we will fix that one. After that we have to fix both bar 4 screws. After that our job will be finished. After final check-in we can hand over to the customer. Now finally we are fixing burners element to the holding bar. Now we fix already the everything perfect. Wire connection recheck please before fixing. Not touching, no loose connection. Okay, now we can fix. Now everything done. Our job is completed. Now finally we have to check. Now I'm going to given power connection. Now I'm going to check one by one again elements are working or not. Now I select the big one. Yeah, it's working properly. And also one. Yes, also working. Another one. This you can find all working. And suddenly taking a couple of if you want to continue, we have these things of the element. Now it's okay, perfect, done. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.